building a Billy bookcase from Ikea. This is our progress so far.
We're gonna be doing a what case?
Billy bookcase from Ikea.
Alright, we're gonna show y'all how to build it for y'all that don't know, because we don't know either, so we'll go from there. First, you're gonna need a screwdriver, a Phillips minigun, and a little pink gay hammer. Oh, I don't know if I can say that. These are the tools that it'll come with. These right here. Simple. These are the sides. This is the back part that indicates with this line that also falls with that brown stuff right there. Next, you'll get your little driller. There's some small holes, and the other bigger holes are for these wood thingy-mablobbers. These go in here. Now, if you come around to your left, see these? You'll put these in a way. These. So the one that's at the bottom, this one, will sit like this. And then you tighten them, twisting them with the Phillips. With the flat screwdriver. Oops. So you see there's 4 holes in total. You want to put them on the exterior of those 2 holes. Hammer it up a little bit. Same goes for this. Hammer it in a little bit. Bam. As we talked about, this goes in here. I want to make sure it goes in just like this. There's an arrow that'll indicate you that it'll be pointing down. The arrow is right here. You'll be able to see it on your instructions. Same goes with this one. Down. Goes up. Like this. Oh wait. What the heck happened here?
You go the other way.
Oh no. Oh wait. There we go. Like this. And then we just align them. Ow.
You don't need wooden ones?
What happened to them? Oh, I got them on the wrong side. Whoopsie daisy. Be back. Let's go right
And you want to make sure these are facing the bottom, because this curve right here is going to be the bottom, so you don't want those showing on top of your shelf.
Correct, nigga. Whoa, whoa. I might need your help actually. You don't gotta record. Dang it. Alright, so we had to move part of it. We had to move the other one. That's not vertical. It's horizontal. We had to move it, so now this is it. Now we're installing these pieces, which they go like this. So these go in like this. Let me show you for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They go in like this. And then you will just sit them in here and they'll just click in. Alright, that's how you set up an Ikea thingy-mablober. If y'all want to see another video like this, leave it in the comments. Peace.